how should we handle the career break, and mostly it was with regards to the interviewing. So when you go and give interviews, there's always this question of, you've taken a career break, so explain and everything. Now, I cannot tell you that this question is not going to pop up. Definitely it will. And once it does, the best thing, and this is a standard answer for all the questions, the best thing always is to be prepared. Make sure you guys have asked some amazing questions. Make sure you know that these questions are asked in an interview, and ensure that you also prepare for the answers for these beforehand, because you don't want to go there and fumble and go like, okay, yeah, okay, what do you want to know about me? Those kind of things. So on this one, career break, my answer is, first things first, just be honest. Just be true to who you are, true to what you did, why you did. Because making up a story to impress employers is not going to get you anywhere. In fact, it could backfire on you. And what they really want to know, they're not interested here to know your full story or what happened and how many months and years of a break it was. They're interested to know, and what they're looking for is, how did you use this career break in terms of helping you achieve what you wanted to do, and how did you use it to learn, and are you even ready to to come back to the workforce? So if you, let's say, took a break because of some illness, or you took the break for your kids, just say it proudly and loudly that, yes, I took a brief break. Just be brief about it. I took a break for this long amount of time because I had to see to my kids. My family was a priority at that time. My kids were young. And then quickly move on to, how did you learn, and what were the steps you took to learn throughout this time. And you could, and of course this goes without saying that you should be doing something besides just being with the family. I understand it can get difficult, but I'm sure all you guys are like amazing, brilliant women with huge capacity. So definitely make your home stay more productive, and make sure that you are keeping in touch with the industry trends, meeting people, networking and stuff. So cutting the long story short, follow it up after you've mentioned that, yes, I took a break, and make sure in your CV it's highlighted as well. It's not like you're trying to hide it by extending the employment period of your previous employment, or covering it up. Just say, took a break from this to this amount of time, and then say whatever you did. It could be a volunteering activity, it could be a side work, could be a freelance work, could be even just attending conferences, seminars, workshops, meeting people. You could have done maybe some course, some certification. Just mention what exactly you did, and reflect on the experience, how before you answer it. So understand, how did it help you grow as a person. So if you were doing something that you were not doing before, what are the additional skills you learned, and what exactly did you learn at this time which could be beneficial to this job that you're applying to, and the job at hand. And if you really stop and think about what you did, in that career break, I'm sure you can come up with dozens of things. Even if you didn't have a chance to do a proper freelance work or something, you were multitasking because you were managing a lot of things. Maybe you were part of some women's group, some NGO, some social work, something you could have done. I'm sure you must have done something where you were managing, organizing, planning, leading. So make sure that you bring those qualities back and tell them that you were doing this at this time with examples. And because what happens is, as you do that, you're telling the employer a lot about who you are. You're coming across, number one, as an honest person, someone who has integrity, someone who has a huge drive to learn, to take initiative, to be proactive, and being able to balance both work and family diligently. So that's the answer. And the last thing I think on this one is, once you're done with this, reassure your employers that you're ready to go back to work. So for instance, if you took a break because of small kids, then mention that now your kids are back to school, or things are taken care of, or they're going to the nursery or whatever, and now you're fully ready and committed to come back to work, and you're really positive, enthusiastic, and you can't wait to be back to work. So that's my 2 cents on the first question.